We will now muster the last watch of the Edmund Fitzgerald.
Michael E. Armagos, 3rd mate. Frederick J. Beecher, Porter. Thomas Benson, Oiler. Edward E. Binden, 1st Assistant Engineer. Thomas D. Borgeson, AB Maintenance Man. Oliver J. Champeau, 3rd Assistant Engineer. Nolan F. Church, Porter. Ransom E. Cundy, Watchman. Thomas E. Edwards, 2nd Assistant Engineer. Russell G. Haskell, 2nd Assistant Engineer. George J. Hall, Chief Engineer. Bruce L. Hudson, Deckhand. Alan G. Coleman, 2nd Cook. Gordon F. McClellan, Wiper. Joseph W. Mazies, Special Maintenance Man. John H. McCarthy, 1st Mate. Captain Ernest M. McSorley, Master. Eugene W. O'Brien, Wheelsman. Carl A. Peckle, Watchman. John J. Povich, Wheelsman. James A. Pratt, 2nd Mate. Robert C. Rafferty, Steward. Paul M. Ripa, Deckhand. John D. Simmons, Wheelsman. William J. Spengler, Watchman. Mark A. Thomas, Deckhand. Ralph G. Walton, Oiler. David E. Weiss, Cadet. Blaine H. Wilhelm, Oiler. And a final toll for all the lost sailors on all the Great Lakes.